Hello, today I will show you how to change the date and time settings on your Samsung Galaxy M20. First, unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now swipe up once again and go into settings. And here, simply choose the General Management option. And now the date and time. In here, you can set if you want to use a 24-hour format or a 12-hour one. As you can see, it instantly changes how it looks on your phone. And if you want, the phone will automatically set the date and time based on your place of position. So it will change if you move to a different country, different place, and update automatically. But if you want to set it yourself, simply turn this option off. Now you can select the time zone, set a date you want and set the time, any one you want, or simply turn it back once again. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.